Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram voice call option not showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, close and reopen it Instagram app. Open the Instagram app and close and reopen it, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update Instagram app. Tap on App Store. Tap on search bar. Search Instagram app. Tap on Instagram. You can see appears on screen. Instagram update are available. Update your app. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is log out and again log in Instagram ID. Tap on Instagram app, tap on profile. You can see appears on screen. Tap on settings, scroll up. You can see appears on screen. Tap on logout and tap on logout to confirm this action, and again login, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is ask a friend to call you. You can try, just tell any of your friends to call you, and after the call ended, see if the call button is appearing on Instagram or not, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Instagram voice call option not showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.